What's up, my loves, and welcome back to another video. I have my face already done, yay! Because right before this video, I recorded a 5-minute challenge, the 5-minute makeup challenge, and I was like panicking, okay? So this is what I did in 5 minutes. Not too bad, I would have to say. I mean, beep beep. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, I'm Ash. This is AllThatAsh. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back for another video. Hey, rocking with me. I love you guys. Yeah, so right now, my hairstyle and everything, I kind of wanted to buy like a big old ponytail, but then I'm like, I don't feel like doing that right now. So this is gonna be like a Lizzo makeup inspired. She had some yellow eyeshadow and some pink lips, and it was cute, okay? So I kind of want to do that right now. Yeah. So we're gonna jump into that video. See you in a second. All right, so starting off as usual with my NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette, I'm going to take this light shade right here. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I already have like concealer on and my face powder, so that's pretty much my base today. And so I put that all over my lid. And like I said, this is Lizzo inspired, so I am gonna use some yellow. Before I use the yellow though, I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take this like kind of reddish brown shade right here, and I'm gonna just put that a little bit, like super lightly in my crease, just to kind of give my crease a little bit of definition before I start playing with yellow. I was telling babe right now, I'm like, I thought I was gonna be slick and get so much more done in 5 minutes, but no, hell no. Like, I definitely didn't even get close to what I thought I was gonna do. So, just kind of giggling to myself about that. Just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my NORVINA Volume 1 palette. There are these two yellow shades here. This one is D1, and then this one is E3. So I'm going to use the E3 on the outside and the D1 on the inside, going towards the inner corner. So I'm gonna stick with my same fluffy brush. I'm gonna pick up that E3, which is the darker yellow. And then I'm going to put that on the outside and then kind of sweep it over into my crease to blend it with that transition shade. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, thank you. Oh. It's not like crazy pigmented. Okay, well, we'll deal with it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take where are you? I'm gonna take this flat brush And I'm gonna go in with the lighter yellow, the D1. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid. Back with that darker yellow. I'm also gonna put some of that down here. Okay, I want some more of the bright yellow. And I'm gonna bring it up a little higher, just a little bit. And soften the edges. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. Love it. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take my Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the color Parasol. I'm gonna put this on my inner corners. I love this highlighter. I'm gonna highlight my brows. Use my primer and then my mascara, the Voluminous primer, and then the, I feel like maybe that was upside down. Right here, Voluminous primer, and then the Lash Paradise, and that is L'Oreal. So I'm not putting any mascara on my bottom lashes. That's just the look I'm going for today. I'm gonna use a white eyeliner for my waterline. This is Wet n Wild pencil, so this is like $1. highlighter on my finger or something. Okay, so I'm gonna use my mascara. So whenever I do this, because my lashes are really long, I always tilt my head all the way back and look down. So I'm still getting a little bit of the black along my lash line, on the yellow shadow, but that's okay. Okay, so as I let my lashes dry, I'm going to finish up my face. So I'm going to contour with my Anastasia, the powder bronzer in the color Mahogany. I'm gonna take just a Sonia Kashuk. This is a tapered face brush. It says contour. So I'm gonna just warm up my face a little bit. I'm going very light on my contour today. Today's look is very soft. Not so dramatic as usual. Then with that same brush, I'm gonna take my NYX. This is the Soft Flush number 7 blush. It's kind of like an orangish. Let me just, there we go. Now, I'm gonna use, oh, I did get my finger on my highlighter. So I'm gonna go back in with my highlighter, and I always use my beauty blender with this one specifically. I'm gonna highlight my brow, or my brow bone. I'm gonna highlight my cheeks, the highest points right here. I live for this highlighter, you guys. And it's like 10 bucks. It's not even expensive. Probably 9. I'm probably lying. Like, it's literally not expensive at all. And it looks so gorgeous on the skin. It looks more natural when you add the moisture with the cream, because this is kind of creamy. So that's why I use my sponge, because it kind of makes it a little more skin-like. It's not just sitting like on the top, you know? Yes, honey. Very soft, very natural. Muy natural. I'm gonna set with my Urban Decay setting spray. This is the All Nighter. I'm going to fix the tips of my brows real quick. Yep. All right, now lashes. I already had mascara. I already put my mascara on, you guys saw. So I'm gonna take the Wispies, these middle ones. Wispies 600 is my duo brush on glue. Super excited, that looks cute. Okay, so I'm gonna let my lash glue kind of sit there for a minute. To complete the look, I'm gonna do my lips. I have Aquaphor on right now, the Aquaphor chapstick. This is just a brown lip liner. I have a super, super dark one that I like, and this is kind of like the lighter one. Then I'm going to use the Revlon. This is Ultra HD, that lip color. There's no information. No information whatsoever, sorry. I'm gonna try to look it up because now that frustrates me. This is super cute. Alrighty, this is kind of like a gloss. It says matte lip color, but it's like glossy. Yes. Okay. All right. So finishing up. More mascara to blend my lashes. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. All right, I hope you guys like it. Super cute, yes. Pink and yellow. All right, so if you did like this video, please go ahead and give this video a like. I would appreciate it so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You know, you want to come back and see more videos. Yes, because they're every week. Sorry, I'm like messing with my knuckles. All right, well, your girl gotta go to work now. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.